This is one for the books. When last did you ask for something and risk hearing no? Opportunities are everywhere. Most people just don't see them. When I was still a young man, my father taught me something while we were driving around. There's always something people don't want anymore. And somewhere there's someone looking for that exact same thing. Your job is to put the two people together. So I started asking. On farms, when I met people, when I visited new places, if I saw old vehicles standing in a field, I would stop and ask, can I buy it? Sometimes the people just gave it to me. There's a Afrikaans saying, vra is vry en weier daarby. Asking is free. The worst someone can say is no. But the possibility of yes changes everything. One time, a guy that I knew was offered a Ford F250 bakkie for free. He said no, because he didn't have the money to fix it, or the time to go and fetch it. I asked him, can I go and fetch it? And he said yes. I picked it up, parked it at my place, advertised it, and sold it for 10,000 Rand. No magic, no special talent, just a question and the willingness to move. If you don't ask, you eliminate the opportunity yourself. If you ask, you at least give the universe a chance to answer.